Dexmo Pipes and Products Limited. Dexmo Pipes and Products Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 company having been listed with NSE BSE. The company has earmarked 63% growth during the year 2010 and 11 with an average around 60% of annual growth. The company has achieved its significant presence in agriculture, irrigation, telecommunication and real estate by manufacturing massive range of products like PVC pipes plain and bell end type, PVC pipes with elastomeric sealing ring type, UPVC casing pipes, HDPE pipes, PLB HDPE pipes, HDPE sprinkler pipes, PVC plumbing pipes, SWR pipes, PVC column pipes, PVC conduit pipes, drip irrigation systems. Besides the above range of products, company takes a pride of manufacturing complete range of fittings like PVC plumbing fittings, SWR fittings and agri fittings. Dexmo Pipes and Products Limited is a unique company where technology molds generation. So it is its endeavor to optimize the resources for manufacturing such huge quality products under one umbrella. This wide range of products has manifold applications like drip irrigation system, HDPE sprinkler pipes and PVC pipes are used in agriculture and horticulture. PVC column pipes, casing pipes and HDPE coils are used for the purpose of tube wells and boring. Suction hose pipes are used for industrial purpose for conveyance of water and chemicals. SWR pipes, plumbing pipes and fittings like plumbing, SWR and agri fittings are used for the household, colonies, township for water transmission mainly in washrooms and sanitary purpose. The company's products are well accepted by the customers due to its superb quality. As per Indian market, the company follows BIS standards and conforms to the following ISI specifications. PVC pipes, ISI 4985. UPVC pipes, ISI 12818. SWR pipes, ISI 13592. PVC suction hose pipes, ISI 15265. Drip irrigation system, ISI 12786, 13487, 13488. HDP pipes, ISI 4984. HDPE sprinkler pipes, ISI 14151. PVC conduits, ISI 9537, Part 3. Fittings, ISI 7834. Our quality control system and R&D not only follow Bureau of Indian Standards, but also follow the international standards. The BIS has formed the scheme of testing looking to the Indian climatic conditions. For example, Indian standard norms are fixed looking to the highest climatic conditions in India, say 50 degrees centigrade. Whereas our R&D section strives to build up the quality of pipe to sustain the maximum temperature in the world. Similarly, at lowest temperature, Bureau of Indian Standards was framed looking to Indian climate. But we adopted testing procedure that our pipes should sustain the lowest temperature in the world. There are various tests which are not included by BIS due to Indian climatic conditions. But we have included so that our products has to sustain as per international standards, and our products must not stick up to Indian norms only. Texmo Pipes and Products Limited has manpower of 600 qualified professionals and 400 skilled labor. Always lay emphasis on research, improvement and innovation, and thinks that whatever achieved till date is not the end of the road and they have to cover miles. They have market-driven approach and uncompromising attitude with respect to quality. The company's vision is very futuristic and stands as a recognized brand in today's competitive corporate world, for which all the customers are treated as a family member. Our major corporate clients are Idea, Tata, Reliance, Kalpataru Power Transmission, L&T, Siemens. Our government clients are BSNL, MTNL, MP PHE Department, GWSSB, CSIDC, Railways. The company has developed an extensive market network in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, where more than 400 dealers and distributors have been deployed. To assure the prompt services of delivery, the company has established 5 branch offices and godowns at Indore, Jabalpur, Khanapur District Jalgaon, Jaipur and Mumbai. The company's unshakable desire is to deliver the quality products to all our customers. The company is in association with the above customers since more than 2 decades. All of them trusted the company, so gained its reputation and faith. The company honors its commitments. The company's products are reliable, well acceptable by the customers due to best quality, remarkable performance, economical, prompt delivery, service after sales, high reliability, excellent quality features, sound durability. The company renders its service after sales promptly and plans to provide integrated full service assistance and help its customers at every doorstep to improve their crop, laying of pipes and even technical assistance. These activities are complementary to the customers.